Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application and the first step is search for the username. So first of all, try searching the username of that person. If their profile doesn't appear, but you are certain it exists, this could be a sign that they have blocked you. Remember, privacy settings might also hide profiles, so let's not jump to conclusion just yet. Step 2. Check your direct messages. Go to your direct messages. If you had a conversation with the person before, try finding it. If their profile appears but you cannot interact with it or see their profile, it's possible you have been blocked. Step 3. Use a mutual friend's account. Here is where it's get interesting. Ask a friend to search for the person on their account. If their profile appears publicly on other account but not yours, it's likely you have been blocked. Step 4. Look for comments or tags. Lastly, if you remember any comments or posts where you have been both tagged, try finding those comments. If you can see their comments but can't view their profile, that's another clue. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.